Hey, this is Barry, and today I'm working on my lawnmower. So apparently, a couple mounts from the carburetor air cleaner decided to snap off, and in doing that, I've got a bundle of parts here. Look, I've got the broken off mount. Look, the plastic just gave up the ghost. The air cleaner, and the shroud that covers the air cleaner. Now you may ask, what happened? Did an alligator eat this air cleaner? Look at that. No. I'll tell you what happened. It snapped off in front of the motor there, over there, right, on the motor, and it snapped off, fell down there, then got run over by the mower. Right through, right? But I need to get parts to fix it. I got a lawn to mow. Got to get it done. Didn't cut it last week. So I made a new air cleaner. Check this bad boy out. I think this is as redneck as I've gotten in a while. Look at that. T-shirt. I think that's going to do the job.